पहले तो तुम लोग माइक हटाओ मुंह से. This is how
हाँ,
it's been
हाथ
told to us.
हटाओ, माइक हटाओ. We're like माइक हटाएँगे तो बोलेंगे कैसे? तुम बस हमें सुनना नहीं चाहते हो.
The pop culture roundup, where we just like summarize what are things we have watched, been inspired by, thought of, etc.
People will not think we have 3 jobs between us.
Now we have spoiled the ending. Spoilers!
This is a job where we don't draw any salary, by the way.
Yet.
You all can start sending us money. I felt like it was Palm Springs, but like less hinging on the
Yes.
romance.
So I thought really deeply about what excites me, and that's murder.
Cosmics with an X.
There are vampires
Yes.
in a post Civil War
Yes.
America.
Yes. Tina Dunham is a genius. But every time, every step of the way when the plot is changing a little, I did not expect it to go where it went. There's so much reading between the lines
Yes.
that only the author can translate for
Yes.
the rest of the crew and cast.
Oh, guns! These movies are not pretending to take themselves more seriously than anything else.
Tina Dunham is a genius. And it's got representation. They've got an Indian girl who's playing a dumb person.
Never lie. First lie wins.
It's sounding like threats you send to people. And
Only a woman could go to a gym and come back with positive personality changes. Let me just say
come
that.
back with more depth.
I think it shouldn't matter how complex the English is. It should matter if it's making me feel and think things. And this book does that. This Apple TV things you don't recommend, people will have to start getting subscriptions.
You can start. Tina Dunham is a genius. I'd like to say that we've incorporated some feedback.
We have with choice, without choice, because we got a lot of feedback. I think people who are watching this show, they have thoughts and opinions.
They have a lot of them.
Yeah.
They can have lesser of them directed towards us.
Or else you can share some of them. Like, don't give them all to us in one go. Little you can share कि थोड़ा अभी बताया, थोड़ा कुछ महीनों बाद. Don't expect greatness from us from day zero.
Yeah, and you can sandwich it. You
Yeah,
can be like,
tell us 5 good things,
Hmm.
2 bad things, 3 good things.
I like that.
That's that's the ratio of a good sandwich.
Yeah. And it can randomly, you can also just keep sending us compliments. That is also a good sandwich.
Yeah.
Just compliments.
Just compliments randomly across the week, and then on one Sunday, just sit down and type all your feedback.
All your feedback, and then send that also over a month. Just keep us guessing.
So okay, let's give them a summary of things we have incorporated as feedback.
Okay. I really like this, by the way. This
Yeah,
structure
this
thing
is
a
very
great idea.
cool.
I'd like to give you credit.
Oh, thank you. I'm just a genius. But no, this is quite cool. People have been very extremely annoyed. Like the biggest, I think this is the feedback that has come to us a lot of the times, to be like, पहले तो तुम लोग माइक हटाओ मुंह से. This is how it's been
हाथ
told to us.
हटाओ, माइक हटाओ. We're like माइक हटाएंगे तो बोलेंगे कैसे? तुम बस हमें सुनना नहीं चाहते हो. तो सीधा सीधा बोलो.
फिर बोल दो पॉडकास्ट बंद करो. But
नहीं,
then
don't ever say that to us. Please.
then you said no, the problem is that it's like it's covering your face, and then I realized, oh, they just want to see us more. Our beauty is being hidden, and
Which I
that's
don't
the
blame
problem.
them.
It's
Fine.
natural to want to watch us.
Yeah, we have heard of this from many. What
So
is skincare routine?
yeah, glowing skin and all, so I get it. So
Hmm.
now we have chopsticks, and I think it's helping because it's at least easier for me to like
Yeah,
talk
it's
about
helpful
it.
to not hold my hand like this.
And my muscles were
Oh
really
God.
increasing because of this.
Gains were there.
Gains were there. Now all my gains will go away.
They will go away.
So yeah, it has been nice to incorporate this. And the other piece of feedback is were told that you guys really liked the pop quiz that we did about
Hmm.
cringe culture. So we thought we'll start off this episode with a pop culture roundup.
Yes.
Also because we have promised you all that, oh, you will learn about shows and life.
And we are so good at watching shows and dissecting shows, and then every time we forget to talk about shows because we like to talk about ourselves.
Yes, we have come to realize we are very narcissistic people, maybe.
And that's why we have a podcast, which is not informative,
At
but just
all.
us talking.
Oh, this is another piece of feedback I would like to just address. People want information from us.
And I'd like to quote Arundhati Roy and say that
Yes.
you don't need any more information. You have enough information in today's world as it is, and most of the information you're getting is about
Yeah.
something sad or bad.
Yeah.
You need spaces where you can just let go, and part of our goal is that this should be one of those spaces for
Yeah.
you.
And also, so podcasts are generally about learning, information, etc. Um, we didn't start out with that aim. We didn't think that, and we still don't think that we're going to be teaching you. This podcast is about us learning for ourselves.
That's true. Again, this is about us only.
Again, this is about us. Like our purpose is about us.
Yes.
Um, so yeah, we need more spaces where women and people can just be, so they
Yes.
can just be at leisure and talk about random stuff, because that's how most spaces are.
Yeah, I think there should be less pressure all the time on people to do something valuable with their
Yeah.
time. Ki if I'm spending half an hour to 1 hour listening to a podcast, I should get something out of it. Otherwise, it's
Yes.
not going to be worth it.
Also, then that's also not very aligned with the type of audience we've built this for. Like, we've not
Yeah.
built this as for an audience who's saying that, oh, I'll spend 30 minutes, focus, listen to these people and then get something from them.
Hmm.
This is for the kind of people who are doing other things also, and they're like, hey, I want to hear somebody and like hear someone's thoughts or feel like there's conversation around
Yeah.
me. So we are actually catering to the lonely.
We are catering to the lonely or the people who aren't feeling seen or heard in some way. And
Yeah.
maybe if they listen to us, even if one thing they feel is
Yeah.
relatable, that's enough.
Oh yeah, that's true. And then, because right now a lot of the people who listen to us are people who already know us. We're
Hmm.
hoping that will deepen our friendships with them, because they will
They will be
listen to
like,
us
we are
on the
too good.
podcast and then they will write to us and be like, "Girl, this hot take, can we talk more about this?"
Then we'll be like, sure, sure. Talking is our hobby. Talking is
um
what we like to do.
yeah, I think the third piece of feedback I've gotten is that I can be really loud because the
Oh,
mic is too close to my mouth. So I'm going to try it a little bit like midway.
they can listen to
Hmm.
you at a lower volume.
No, but then you are saying in a more balanced voice, no? So then that's not what we want them to do. Just toggle the volume up and down throughout the
They can
episode.
figure things out. That's why we have subtitles as well, which is the worst thing. It's the worst part of editing.
First of all, I always forget the fact that subtitles are a thing, and
She's
that
like,
I
हो
will
जाएगा अरे 2 दिन का काम है हो जाएगा then I'm like अच्छा ठीक है
I will tell her, अरे लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियो, अरे आधे घंटे 1 घंटे का काम है, तुम टेंशन मत लो. और फिर उसके बाद जब मैं बैठती हूँ रात के 12 बजे, आई एम लाइक, ओ सारे सबटाइटल्स तो चेक करने बचे. और फिर मैं आऊंगी एंड देयर विल बी दीस पार्ट्स ऑफ द वीडियो जहाँ पे सबटाइटल्स ही नहीं है.
नहीं होते भाई because what Canva does is it auto generates the
Yes.
captions and it does it in English. And so the parts where we are speaking in Hindi, a lot of those clips it will not generate only any
Yeah.
captions, and you will have to go and manually type them in, which is
Yes.
what we do.
Which is why you will have seen the inconsistency. पहले हम लोग हिंदी की चीजें हिंदी में लिखते थे,
Hmm.
फिर हमने हिंदी की चीजें ट्रांसलेटेड इन इंग्लिश लिखना शुरू किया, because we were like, no one has the time to figure this out in this
Arey,
detail.
and again, another piece of feedback that we got
Yes.
is whatever you're saying in Hindi might not be understood by the
Yes.
English speaking audience.
Yes,
So we were
that
like,
was a
अब
good
हम
one.
दो तरह के captions थोड़ी डालेंगे. We will
हाँ,
do the
that's
easiest
true.
thing.
Because then it was getting difficult कि ये भी डालो फिर translation भी डालो, और we
That
have
was
a
a lot.
job.
अरे हाँ, we have between us we have 2 jobs. Huh? We
Oh,
don't have
sorry.
one job. Both of us are doing one job.
We have 2
We
jobs.
have 2 jobs.
And between us, we actually have 3 jobs. This is
We have
also a
this is a
job.
job. This is a job now. अब इसमें पैसे डाल. This is a job where we don't draw any salary, by the way. You
Yet.
can start. You all can start sending us money.
We need like one of those GoFundMe's.
Yeah.
But we have gotten really good feedback. I really like it. We
Yeah.
have gotten different types of feedback. The one we've done a lot of this.
Hmm.
The one we wanted to really use today was also the pop culture roundup,
Yeah.
because it'll give you an insight into who we are. It also give you like really solid recommendations and thoughts and ideas about things. This is going to be a section where we just like summarize what are things we have watched, been inspired by, thought of, etc.
Also, just between the two of us, I'd like to give a little bit of context that we watch a lot of stuff. I don't think I've met anyone else who watches things at the pace that I do. apart from you. And people will be shocked. People will not think we have 3 jobs between us
And
when we tell them how much we have watched.
oh, that'll be really cool. What is the how many things like? Sorry, I got really excited. I couldn't form sentences. What I wanted to ask is, what is the duration of time? Let's be very clear on in how much duration of time have we like consumed this amount of material?
A month?
A month?
A
Okay.
month. Yeah.
Okay. A month for me would I have only thought for 2 weeks. Okay.
So you can see, yeah, even I will remember back to 2 weeks. So
Yeah.
you can see how much
Yes.
in 2 weeks also we have watched.
And then all the people at all our different jobs, this one, that one,
they
every
will be
other
like,
time.
अरे इनका काम बढ़ाओ, workload बढ़ाओ.
अगर ये इतना सामान पढ़ रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं.
और फिर उसके बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं, तो क्या ये काम कर
And
रहे
by
हैं?
the way, we are talking about it not just once, twice or thrice or multiple times.
Because we first voice note about it. Then when we send the voice note, we're like,
Yes.
"Arey, this has to go on the episode." Then we will come here, we will structurally talk about it
Yes.
before the episode. Then we will talk here. My God, we are
Yeah.
too good.
We use our 24 hours. We really do.
Really well, huh? We are one of those
Mm.
people.
Okay, tell me how you used your 24 hours across the 2 weeks.
So okay, one new addition is that I have started working out consistently, and it has been, and I have also started making notes every 2 weeks for what I see like changing in my personality
Oh,
as
because of
I
gymming.
because of gymming. And
Oh,
it's been quite interesting, and I do see a lot of changes in my personality. And
tell
we'll
me
talk.
right now if you're gonna convert into a gym bro before this podcast goes any further. Do I need to find a replacement?
I will become a protein brother. I am kidding. I'm kidding.
But also, in case you want to give us sponsorships for protein shakes and powders,
Are
this
you
girl is open.
Cosmix can give
Oh,
plant-based protein powder.
Cosmix with an X.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, how you are also
I
doing
want them to really hear this.
Cosmix with an X.
Very, as you can see, she has a very ASMR voice. Okay, so you have been gymming and you have seen personality changes because of
Yeah.
this. Tell me, give me one personality change.
Firstly, it's making me more disciplined overall.
Mm,
So it initially I would think कि मुझे ये करना है. For example, painting.
Yeah.
Now I would think कि I have to paint, but I would never end up doing it. Something more low effort would end up taking my time, and then I'd be like, oh shit, I could have painted in this much time, but then I didn't.
Cute.
And you would think that once you occupy more hours of your day, for
Yeah.
example, gymming takes up at least 2 hours because you're going, coming,
Yeah.
making your shakes, etc. It's taking up a good 2 hours.
Okay, then. Cosmix.
Cosmics.
Shakes. Okay.
It's taking up a good 2
Yes.
hours. So you would think, ki, oh, I'll be too
And
tired.
stretching. I've heard it's very
Stretching
important.
is important, yes. But what it's doing is that because you have now in your head you have decided that I have to incorporate 2 hours of my time. You become more disciplined about the rest of the day. You're like, okay,
Oh.
because I need to, for example, because I need to go to the gym, I will sleep early.
Hmm.
Because I will sleep early, now I will not waste time till like 12 a.m. I
Hmm.
will do something after work that is enjoyable, because otherwise I will have no time.
Correct.
And I think that is one big
So
change.
you're forced to plan your days in a way that allows you to feel more balanced and rested.
Yeah.
Because now you also know that this is something that I am doing and have to do, like, because I've committed it to myself.
Yeah, I think it builds general mental and physical stamina. Any form of, I think, physical exercise does it if
Love
you
it.
do it consistently.
Hmm.
And I think it also builds a lot of resilience, because it's tough to do it,
Yeah.
and your body is constantly not wanting to do it. You're
Of
like, "Arey,
course.
this is not worth
Do
it."
you have अरे leg day है यार दर्द हो रहा है.
I'm like, "Arey, there are days you can't move your hands, you can't move your legs, especially when you just start."
Do you want to show guns?
Arey, I will show. I'm trying hard, but you can see.
Okay.
Arey, you touch.
After um थोड़ा
That's
soft हो
not
गया.
where it is. That's not where this is where it
Oh.
is.
Ah, it is.
Oh wait, I'll
Um,
show.
Oh, guns! And in the next few months, you will see them grow. Gain.
I love it. We will just do gains.
Gains you will do. No, oh, that's really sweet. I didn't realize that it could bring positive personality changes.
It has.
I love
So
it.
that, and
Only
I've
a
been
woman could go to a gym and come back with positive
positive
personality changes. Let
personality.
me just say
Come
that.
back with more depth.
Yeah, only a woman.
The gents will come back. They'll be like, अब मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मैं जिम प्रो बन चुका हूँ. तो मेरी personality में आ गई है सारी substance.
Yes.
Just kidding. We love
That's
all
really
the
beautiful.
protein brothers.
I am not doing that at all.
That's
I am doing the opposite.
really,
My favorite hobby, being horizontal.
I love it. But
I have a tendency to just lie down and rest as if I'm on 1920s or even earlier, 1820s.
one of those influenza
Yes, patient.
stricken patients. You know, in those paintings, those white girls that are just like,
Yes, yes, that is me. I have a tendency to do that. I got so excited. There are paintings about me. So I have then decided to merge it
hmm,
with something else that I like to do, which is reading.
reading.
I like
She's
to
read a
read.
lot.
I've read a lot of books. I'm
She's
very
a
proud of
fast
myself.
reader. I'm also a fast reader, by the way.
You are.
Yeah.
I have seen you finish books while I am on the weekend at your house.
But tell us more about what you read.
I realized that I have sort of lost my love for reading. It's become very. Mm, it's become an effort to read in the past like few months for me, and I couldn't realize why. And then I realized I was reading things that were not necessarily exciting me. So I thought really deeply about what excites me, and that's murder. So I said, okay. And then I have started to go on this binge of just murder mysteries and thrillers. Um, and then I started reading a lot more, and it's exciting. And then I'm also realizing the more I read, I'm also right now exploring different authors, because all of the authors I'm used to reading are not necessarily writing new books right now.
Hmm.
Um, and that's like a Jeffrey Archer,
Hmm.
etc. Like I've just gotten so used कि यार बचपन में पढ़ा था वही बहुत अच्छे हैं. So now I'm just going to stores and telas and just buying whatever murder mystery thriller
I
anyone is
love
willing to
that.
recommend. And it's given me a mix of books, because then there are some books I really like and some books I feel like should not have been written at all. But I'm seeing different styles of writing, and it's making me really excited, because like there's different voices that I am now understanding that people have when they write. And that's good, because now I'm realizing what I like a lot more when I'm reading or even when I'm writing. So
What is the style of writing that sort of surprised and intrigued and excited you the most? You're like,
hmm,
this is new, but it's
hmm.
been done really well, and I actually kind of like it, and I'd like to read more of this. Or you can even mention an author.
Oh, I can.
Hmm.
Oh yes, of course I can.
Of course, you
So
can.
let me just mention, I really liked this one author, Nidhi Upadhyay. She's an Indian author.
Okay.
um and she's written That Night. It's about, first of all, the book is a mix uh between like ages. So it's about the same set of people in college and then the same set of people now. And I generally am not a big fan of things about college, because writers tend to write them really like as children.
Like they will infantilize the characters.
Yes, extremely. And then the way that they will write about it is not complex, so
Hmm.
they think that children are not having, like children or young adults are not having complex thoughts,
Hmm.
so they will write it in that way, and then I don't like that kind of writing.
Hmm.
She's managed to like show consistency of the characters from like when they were in college to now when they're adults. Like the complexity of the thoughts have not changed for the people, just like more layers have been added. I really like that. I think she did that really well.
Hmm.
Also the pace of the book was really good.
Hmm.
I like slow burn thrillers, because I'm like, I really want to see into like the step
You
into
want
the
to see
mystery.
the plot evolving as
Yes,
well.
yes.
Hmm.
And this was very fast, like things were happening one after the other. And that also I liked, because she's written it in a very non-descriptive manner. Like when things are happening, things are happening, you're in it and things are happening, and it's a lot of
Okay.
movement through dialogue, etc., versus movement through settings versus movement through descriptions.
Hmm.
And that I really liked, because I wasn't bored. Things kept happening, but I was still engaged.
Hmm.
And it all connected back to this one larger mystery, so all of the smaller mysteries were not mini mysteries to be forgotten, they all connected back to the larger mystery, so I really liked it.
Have you read books by Anuja Chauhan?
I haven't.
So she used to do a lot of like rom-coms initially, but then she moved to, and all of her writing is funny and comedy.
Oh,
But it was rom-coms initially.
yes.
Now she started doing like murder mysteries, which are funny. So you will
Oh,
really, and they're very quick reads. They're easy, but they're not, again, they're not badly written. Plus, the writing is contextualized to the Indian um
hmm,
context, and
I
even
like
in
it.
Indian, again, not just Indian language, but hyper specific to the city. So like if
Hmm.
something is based out of a Bangalore, she will make sure that it feels like it is
Oh,
a Bangalorean who is speaking. You will really enjoy it.
I think I will. I will check them out for
Yes.
next week.
The Fast and the Dead or something, and then there's another book she has written, Club You to Death. These are the
Oh,
two these are the two murder mystery ones that
right
she's
on the nose. I like
right
it.
on the nose. Very fun, very like quick reads. You will enjoy them. But I think the
I
best
like that.
book by her is Baz.
Buzz.
Baz. Which is a romance.
Like Bazigar ka Baz.
Huh.
Hmm.
Like
Okay.
Eagle.
Okay. I like that.
Hmm.
I will read all these books by next week.
Oh yes.
The week after when we record again.
I'm excited. You
Okay.
must.
I will. I
Yes.
will. Okay. What has been something, okay, now that I've started talking directly about consuming things, what has been something you have consumed, either like through reading, watching, etc.,
Through reading, watching,
that has
etc.
excited you, that made you feel this is something new that
Hmm.
I've not experienced for a while?
So there was a movie that I watched. It has, for people who have seen New Girl, the guy who plays Nick
Yeah.
in New Girl. Yeah, it has that person. What is his name?
And Andy Samberg.
And no,
No?
it doesn't have Andy
Oh,
Samberg.
this is a different movie then. Sorry.
I'm not talking about the. I'm not talking about the roses. I'm talking.
No, I'm
Huh.
talking about. Oh, sorry. Continue.
Huh. It doesn't have Andy Samberg. It has that girl,
Anna Kendrick.
Anna Kendrick.
It
Yes.
has Andy Samberg in it also.
Oh yes, it has Andy
Yeah,
Samberg.
I
Sorry,
was like,
I'm
I knew.
sorry. I'm sorry. It does have Andy Samberg.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. But
Andy Samberg is playing himself.
yeah, he's playing himself. Andy Samberg is Andy Samberg. I really liked that movie. I
Same.
felt like it was Palm Springs, but like less hinging on the
Yes,
romance, more hinging on the actual slice of life thing. And
I liked
the
it.
movie is basically about there's some sort of a game, some sinister game that is there where you have to you have, if you are a part of a game, there are multiple participants, and you have to survive for the next 30 days. Someone will come and kill you, will try to come
Yeah.
and kill you. You have to survive. If you survive, at the end of it you will win $1 million. But the catch is that they can't kill you if you are with someone,
Hmm.
which is such a cool concept.
Yes.
So now that guy is like, oh, I'm very smart. He has gone and found a homeless man to be with him, and he thinks that's it. He thinks he has gamed it, but there is so much more to the rest of the movie. So,
Yeah. I love that movie.
yeah,
It talks so much about this loneliness
yes,
epidemic.
it
It
does.
also talks about like family dynamics and
Family dynamics, and
and peer
they
dynamics.
have no faith in him. Bichara is saying, Ninja is coming, Ninja is coming.
And they are all having an intervention.
Yeah. And while they're having an intervention, he's like, okay, okay, you stay here only, but you don't leave me and go. Then there's another scene where his friend has left him to go poop. He has tried to enter the washroom.
Not try to. He
He
has
has
entered the washroom and then he has been saying someone outside the window is trying to kill me.
and
So he has pulled the guy up. So nahi isko dekho, I am with him.
oh
He's
my
thrown
god.
out of the house
He's
soon.
thrown out of the house, and he's like, that's when he finds the homeless man.
Yes, but
He's like, I have to do it.
it is a very funny movie.
It's a very funny movie. It's very good. And
Um,
every character is really interesting.
and the movie kept me guessing because I
Yeah.
also kept guessing, is this real? Is this in his mind?
Yeah.
Is this because he's lonely? Is this something that will, like, will this end in murder?
Will this end in
It
murder?
kept me
Will it
guessing
be
till
one
the
of
end.
those movies where they're like, oh, let us do an edgy ending and just kill off the
Yeah,
character, and it'll be really sad. But
that, oh, no one believed him, but they
yeah,
didn't, like, I mean, now we have spoiled the ending. Spoilers.
we are not fully, but you must watch the
But you
movie
must
because
watch the
it's
movie.
about the journey.
Yeah. Also, you still don't know what happens at the ending.
Yeah,
All you know is that he doesn't die, but you still don't know what
you still
happens at
don't
the end.
know, and it's also a very funny movie, so it's entertaining to watch.
Yes, yes.
That's something that was a good, funny, shocking watch, and I just decided to watch it in the spur of the moment. So I was like, okay, this is quite interesting. I like it.
Those movies are the ones which are all spur of the moment, because there will be no advertisements about them. You will
Yeah,
not know if and when they're in the theaters. Suddenly you will see them on a Prime and then you'll be like, oh, ye bhi hai, अरे ये तो actor मुझे पसंद है, चलो देखते
pasand
हैं.
hai. And then another thing that I watched that I
Yes.
really loved, which was intentional because I rented it on Prime, was
Hmm.
Sinners. I wanted to watch
Oh.
it since a while. Sinners is so good. It is so worth it. It is one of those serious movies. So you know
Hmm.
how Killers of the Flower Moon got a lot of
Yes.
bad feedback, critical feedback, that it's just really boring. It's about an it's about an important topic,
Yes.
but it's so difficult to watch. And we watched, like, I was watching it with a friend and we watched half of it and we were like, it is really difficult to watch. We can't do this anymore.
The only way I stayed engaged was because we had gone to a theater to watch it. And then I was like, oh, at least
Like,
big
करना
screen
पड़ेगा.
है. देखो कितना सुंदर लग
सुंदर
रहा
है.
है.
I get
पानी
it.
की आवाज सुनो कितनी अच्छी आ रही है.
Soundtrack is too good, yeah.
That's,
Cinematography is amazing. But writing and pace, हो ही जा रहा है, मतलब shots of people just walking to stores. अरे, why do I have to see that? But Sinners has dealt with such an important topic.
yes.
It is set in post Civil War
Mm.
America, and how, like, they are still dealing, and the rise of the Ku Klux Klan,
Mm.
and just the impact of the war, and how just because they had abolished slavery, it was not enough, and they were still facing all of these troubles, but it has dealt with it in such an engaging manner. It has
Yeah.
taken such a sensitive topic, and it has put in themes of this is not a spoiler, but there are vampires and there is like action, and there is such good
There
music.
are vampires
Yes,
in a post Civil War
yes,
America.
yes. And there is action, and there is great music whilst all of this action is happening,
Oh.
and there are themes of like brotherhood and community, and just
My
every,
God,
and it's so
sounds
good.
fantastic to be honest.
Sinners is so fucking worth it. It was so good. Everybody should watch Sinners, in my opinion. And then it also has Michael B. Jordan
Of course. Of
just
course.
looking good, and Haley Steinfeld is also looking very good and
Of
has
course.
acted very well.
Of course.
We have something for everyone. We have it all. But yeah,
Okay.
Sinners was
I
really good.
refuse to rent things on Prime because I'm
Okay,
already giving them a subscription.
I agree.
I cannot rent. I'm like, मुझे
Why should
रेंट
I
ही
give you
करना
more
था,
money?
तो मैं तुम्हें पैसा क्यों देती?
क्यों
फिर
देती?
मैं जो देखना था उसको रेंट अलग से करती.
Yeah.
एंड मैं रेंट क्यों करूं? मैं बाय क्यों नहीं कर सकती? और पता है मुझे बाय का भी ऑप्शन होता है, बट मैं बाय क्यों करूं अगर मैं सब्सक्रिप्शन दे रही हूँ?
Huh. I agree.
बट आई विल स्टिल वॉच
But they know it's a
सिनर्स.
good movie. That's why
That's
they're
why they do it.
gatekeeping it.
No, of
They
course.
won't gatekeep a hate story 4 like this. That will be available for free on Hotstar. You know what, that section of
Without
Hotstar,
ads.
yeah, no,
Because,
where you don't even have to pay for Hotstar. You can just come and
yes.
watch anything.
And they
There
won't
it
have
will be
ads
there.
also because they'll be like, कोई देख ही नहीं रहा
कुछ
है,
भी
ad
नहीं
कौन
है, ad
देखेगा?
क्या डालूं मैं उधर? By the way, Amazon, because now they've started putting ads, they put their own product ads. Okay, you
Yes.
keep getting, I am an AWS engineer. I don't fucking care. What the hell? I've come here to escape from work and you are telling me about cloud services. What? What is this bullshit?
Also, I have never seen an ad to fulfillment because their ads are not ads.
Or admit, because I have not paid for, now
Yes,
I'm not going to pay extra money to remove the ads. तो
of
अब मैं
course.
बस टीवी समझ के देखती. तो जब बचपन में हम टीवी देखते थे, ऐड आता था तो हम सुसु करने चले जाते थे, पानी पीने चले जाते थे. I'm like, चलो चलो टाइम आ गया. Snacks लेने जाओ. I will go and take that second bite of the chocolates that
That
I
makes
thought I won't
sense.
have.
That's a really good way to live, also.
Yeah, I
You can
like
either
that.
choose to be annoyed at the ads and then
No,
cry
I'm like
about capitalism.
nostalgia.
Yeah, or you can bring back nostalgia.
Nostalgia. That's
I
what I
like that.
meant.
I think that's very cute.
Yeah.
That's a good attitude to have in life.
Thank you.
be endured and have nostalgia.
हर बात में कोई भी हार्डशिप आए तो बोला, अरे बचपन में भी तो
बचपन में भी तो ये
बचपन में भी
देखा
तो
है.
ये देखा है. ठीक है, हम सह लेंगे. बचपन में भी तो सहते आ रहे थे.
Do you need therapy?
Need
Is a strong word.
is a strong word. Is there a need for multiple people to take therapy? Sure. Do I sometimes fall in that category of people? Sure.
No one needs therapy all the time.
I agree.
People can choose to take therapy when they're feeling not themselves.
Yeah, and some people I feel like will become horrible after therapy. They'll just learn therapy speak and
Yeah.
just be spewing it at you to gaslight
Yeah.
you.
There is a book about this. A
Yeah,
researcher wrote a
that
book
was,
about this
yeah.
where they talked about how um, I think they are abusers that they worked with for many, many years to think because they believe that if they worked with them enough, provided them with the right access to therapy and tools, they will get better. What they realized was the abusers actually just learned all the therapy speak and became better at hiding their abuse. So that's
Of course.
obviously a
I can
problem.
only say of course I'm eating.
So yes,
But I love that there's been research on this, and I think this is true
it is quite
for
true.
now. People who are not as bad as abusers, but also general narcissistic, slightly
Yeah.
selfish people.
For me, I also see like the rising dialogue around
Hmm.
just more subtle ways of abuse, right?
Yeah.
So for example, gaslighting, etc. Like earlier there would be a lot more conversation around more physical abuse, and not like physical abuse has decreased,
Hmm.
but now there's even more dialogue around some of the
Yeah.
non-physical abuse, because that goes
Yeah, you don't have to
unnoticed.
resort to that. अब तुम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो.
Huh. So that goes unnoticed, and I think that's also why, right? Because the more therapy speak you have across, the more difficult it is to catch what abuse is and not, because
Yeah.
they will also use that therapy speak to
Yeah. Now I
hold
can
uh,
behave
to
badly with
huh,
you and be like sorry,
yes,
and I can just quote five five words and use jargon with you, and you'll be like,
yeah, of
अब मैं
course.
क्या बोलूं?
And then you don't they and then it basically you don't have a leg to stand on then,
Yeah.
because now suddenly you can't hold people accountable for the things they have done.
It's very important to not fall for therapy speak, because now it's
Yeah,
there everywhere. Like I know that it has not come from a bad place.
yeah,
People have just tried to make that information more accessible, but that's what happens when you increase access to information. It will also fall in the wrong hands,
yes, yes,
and it has, and
yeah.
now people will use it all the time. So
A movie which I've recently watched
yes.
where I felt like therapy would have helped is The Roses.
Oh my god,
It was
such a good movie actually.
such a good movie, and they also bring therapy in it as a
They
side.
do, and they dismiss it so fast.
Like this.
They're like, अरे ये हमारी बस की बात नहीं है.
Yeah, I think The Roses had everything.
It had
It
everything.
had build up.
Say more when you say everything.
So I'm saying, oh,
Sorry.
you
Sorry.
just want your cuts.
I want my cuts.
It had build up, and the right kind of build up. It wasn't, oh, from zero to suddenly they go to 100.
Hmm.
They go to 100 very gradually, and they only go to 100 nearer the end, which is good, because then the entire movie you are in anticipation of, oh, what more could happen, because so much is left.
Yeah, and I would never have expected
Yes, where
any,
it
like,
ends up,
yeah.
right?
In fact, I think you're right. The build up is sort of gradual. I think it's gradual, and then towards the end, it's a little steep of a build up.
Yes,
But every time, every step of the way, when the plot is changing a little, I did not expect it to go where it went.
that is true,
Hmm.
but also it fit the characters.
Yeah,
We didn't expect it to go where it went, but it made sense that that's where it went,
yeah.
because there's enough what is it called when there's like hints to something earlier. I know anime people use it.
Easter eggs. No. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. I know what that's a style of writing.
Yes, where you drop like
Yes.
hints in the
Where every part of the plot is actually relevant to
relevant to the
something
end.
in the
I
future.
think that's what it was with the
Yeah.
Roses, because even their meeting to like what happens, like everything is
Yes.
so interconnected, like
And
you
they bring
always
it all
see.
back.
Yes, yes. So that
Yes.
recall or call
No,
back.
that's a way of writing. I know what you're talking about.
But it was very exciting to watch it.
Yeah.
Um, and I also just really like the British accent.
I
And I
love.
really love Olivia and Benedict. Their expressions in the movie. Also, there is very zoomed in cuts of them. So they are just like expressing and you are blown away.
And the dialogues are really good, like
Very
the
witty.
very witty and very expressive and very concise. Like it's a movie that you have to watch where you're paying a lot of attention,
Yes.
because otherwise you won't know what the characters are thinking if
Yes.
you're not listening to them carefully.
Yes.
It's, I think it's one of those movies where the dialogues are really adding to the plot. If you don't listen,
Yeah.
you won't. And I think that's with every character, like
Yeah.
even the side characters like Andy Samberg,
Yes.
um the children, the people in the restaurant who are working with her, all of the other characters as well.
Yes.
Everything and anything they're saying is really adding to the plot. It was really nice to watch a well written film.
Everything was very relevant.
Yeah,
It all made sense.
it all
None
made
of it
sense.
felt extra. Also, it's a 1 hour 45 minutes movie.
It's
So
not
it's a
that
very
long.
short, snippy movie, and it's good because then everything that needs to be in the movie is in the movie.
It is there in the movie, and
And there are no shots of people walking on the street to a store.
there are none of those unnecessary shots. I also think it's a relevant movie because the discourse is about relationships,
Hmm.
and that will always be a relevant topic.
Yeah.
First of all, even if the way we are in relationships culturally changes,
Hmm. Hmm.
it still speaks to what it takes to make a relationship work and make a relationship last and sustain. And I think that concept is replicable in different sort of relationships, like romantic, friendships, marriages, etc.
That's true.
Yeah.
And they do show a wide variety of relationships,
Yeah.
right? It's not just romantic. They do show what friend groups
Friend
do.
groups
They
do.
do show different dynamics within friend groups. They also show work to a certain extent and what your dynamic with people there becomes.
And what work does when it's a big part of your life to your dynamic with other
Yes.
people.
Also, can I just say one thing that blew my mind? The work relationships and the work part of things was not very visible, but it
Hmm.
still felt so present
It will, yeah,
because you don't see the colleagues as much.
you
You
don't.
don't see like the bosses as much. There's
Yeah.
no shots of them being in offices doing things. Like I think very rarely, like maybe
Yeah.
one or two, but not many.
Hmm.
There's only like people on phone calls. There's only like a mention of somebody and stuff like that, but it still feels so present because the people are so invested and involved in their work,
Hmm.
and how they talk about it shapes your perception of who they are at work.
I agree. I think that's what it is. And I feel like if there are struggles of any kind in
Yeah.
your house with you, where you are involved in the struggles and the contention, but if you are doing very well at work, I think you then start using work as an escape, and then you go
Yes.
deeper and deeper into that work personality, because there everything is perfect.
Yeah.
And then you start believing the person at home less and less, because you're like, oh no, but I'm a very credible person, I'm
And
very
I'm getting
good.
so much validation from people
Validation.
outside.
Yeah.
And that's an excuse people use very often. But so many people appreciate me,
Yeah.
and why can't you?
Why can't you see how much I'm doing? So that's another thing, aspect of life, which is, I think, relevant across different sorts of relationships.
Yeah.
Like, you, it's relevant across, like, even relationships with parents, if you're
Hmm.
a single person living at home while you're working.
Yeah. Also, this was a remake of an earlier
Earlier
movie,
movie.
also,
Yeah.
and it was originally from a book adaptation.
Hmm.
So it's
As
this is
they
the
do
yeah as
in
the
Hollywood.
yes.
I know Indian cinema gets so much critique for copying things. They copy everything from a
That
book.
is true. That is true. That there is no originality.
Yeah.
Screenwriters are what?
What? What is that?
um. So also this was a third adaptation,
Hmm.
technically,
Yeah.
I guess. And it was so good,
It was
and it
really
was so
good.
relevant to today's time. I haven't read the book, etc., so I don't know if it's
Hmm.
still as real and um as to the book as it should have been,
Hmm.
but it was so good. I would want to read the book because I saw the movie,
Hmm.
because it gave me like a snippet of like what the book could hold. I would want to read it.
Also, who's to say that something has to be to the book, you know?
That's true.
Like, if it is an adaptation
Hmm.
and it's not a direct copy of something, then
Hmm.
why does it have to be?
to the book.
to the book.
That's true.
Yeah.
Unless the book is better, then they could have
Unless the book
stuck
is
to the
better.
book.
Yeah. Or the book is a or the artist is sorry, the author is involved in the making of the movie as well,
Hmm.
and then they want things to be a certain way.
Fair enough. Then that also
Yeah,
makes sense.
then their vision you want it to come to life.
You know how this is the, oh my god, Percy Jackson,
Hmm.
like the entire thing about Percy Jackson is just this.
Yeah.
They He wrote a book
Yeah.
and a series of books, beautiful books, I really like them.
Yeah.
And then he has they created like movies out of that.
Hmm.
He told them the movies won't work. There are letters of him saying that this is horrible, please
Horrible.
please
Stop
don't
it.
make
Don't
it.
do this.
He has said, I will write the script again for free.
बताओ.
Please just let me fix it.
Then उसकी बात सुन लेनी
नहीं
चाहिए थी.
सुनी.
नहीं सुनी.
Then he has also been very vocal about his critique of it throughout time to say
Like
this was
मैंने तो
horrible.
बोला था.
He's like, I wrote these books for my, I think, son, and
Hmm.
now you have hypersexualized my characters. And he's
Oh,
like, I'm not
no.
into this. Then he has now created his work towards creating his own series,
Yes.
and that series is really good. It may not be an exact adaptation of the books.
Yeah.
It deviates quite a bit, but it's so good. And because he's written it, even if it deviates,
Yeah.
I'm okay. I'm like, this is his vision. I
This is
trust
his
it.
vision. I agree. I also think in like these kinds of books, which are multiple books, a series of books, and
Yes.
there's a lot of details in it. I think that the author will have to be involved because there is so much stuff, there's so much reading between the lines
Yes.
that only the author can translate for
Yes.
the rest of the crew and cast.
That's true.
So that sort of rounds up things that we loved out of all the multiple things that we consumed over the weeks.
Yes.
And
You know, we really told people, oh, we will tell you how much we consumed, and we said like 5
do you want
things.
to do a quick like 3-4 shows that you saw? I know we saw a bunch of other things. We saw that I know both of us watched, like
Hmm.
Untamed. We watched Why I watched Why Women Kill. You've already seen it.
Okay.
I've been trying to, because The Mentalist is going off Prime in 11 days. I'm on season 3 and I will finish all the rest of the seasons in 11 days.
You will.
I will. So that will be done.
Wednesday is another thing we have
Wednesday
watched
is another
together.
thing we have watched together. I agree.
What else? Anything else? No, we've not watched anything else together. But I have watched Fisk,
Yeah,
the new season that's coming. It's an Australian comedy show. I have
I will watch
watched.
it.
Thank you. Yeah, you have committed to watching it.
Yes, I
Make
will.
time for it.
I will do it for you.
Is a biting. Surprisingly, Australian humor is similar to British humor,
Yeah,
which
same
makes
sort of
sense.
white people
Yeah,
coming
same
in.
white people.
I
Um,
watched Platonic, also a very good show
ooh,
on Apple TV.
Apple TV has really good shows.
Yeah, Apple TV is Apple TV.
Curated content it is. No,
Huh.
curated to be good.
Yeah, that's true.
No,
All
no.
the money they are scamming from us, they will use it here.
I watched Devil's Plan
Mm.
on Netflix. It's a reality show. It's a Korean reality show about people who are all really smart and have come together to play games. And then they just introduce them to like very innovative games, but also games that already exist. So they add like a twist to it. And then they play that. So they'll play like cards, they'll play um, chess and backgammon and this and that, and they'll play all of these. And then there's strategy involved. So it's quite fun because you're seeing smart people do things. And also the
Nice.
games are very fun and interesting to get used to say, oh, this is a cool game. So
I
that's
like
fun.
that.
Hmm.
That sounds like very fun reality TV. Usually, I'm
It
not
is.
able to watch a lot of reality TV alone.
Yeah.
Like, I need someone to watch it with because I want to
Oh.
react and see their reactions.
Oh, of course. Performative is what we are.
Is what we are. I started watching Girls again.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
You've recommended. I have committed to watching Girls.
Girls, yes.
Tell them why you like Girls. Because
I-
it sold me.
I like Girls because Lena Dunham is a genius. She has written it and she has acted in it. She has played one of the leads, Hannah. I like it because they've portrayed, first of all, it has a lot of female characters, very heavily dominated by women, and they're all flawed women. You will find problems with all of them. You will be irritated by all of them,
Yes.
but you won't be able to stop watching the show because of how relatable it is. Something or the other that you have done that you have not been okay with at some point of time, and you have
Yeah.
felt like I want to grow, you will see it in either of those individual characters, somewhere you will see it and you will feel like,
Yeah.
okay, it's fine. Women don't always have to be these perfect people who are always striving for perfection.
Hmm.
And if they are struggling, it is alone. Instead, we will struggle outwardly and we will let everyone see it
And let
and be
everyone be a
huge
part.
messes.
Yes.
It's a great show and everyone should watch it.
Watch it.
Also, I watched it like 4 5 years back for the
Yes.
first time, and it was relevant and enjoyable then. And then I started
Oh,
watching it again this time, and it is still relevant and enjoyable. So that says something.
it's a sustainable show.
It's a sustainable show. And it has
um.
Adam Driver playing a very questionable character, but
Oh,
he's one of those ugly hot men, so he can get it.
I like that. It's a really good cast, though. It sounds
It's
like
a
it's a
really
really
good
good
cast.
cast.
It is.
So we should watch it. I
Yeah.
will watch it. Another thing that we have watched at different points in time, but almost together, is Companion, the movie.
Oh yes. Oh,
Yeah.
Companion was also really good.
It was also a little out there. So that and The Roses, I think, have been two movies I've watched back to back, which
Mm,
have just given me a little bit of like, gives me great insight on relationships, dynamics,
yeah.
toxicity, but at the same time, does it in a very out there way.
Yeah. And again, there are elements of suspense and
Hmm. Intrigue. You
intrigue.
don't know where it will go. After a while, you realize where it's going, and then you are
Where
realizing,
it is going.
what did I sign up for?
But it is, yeah, there's, so even if the plot might not be engaging, the fact that there is still some mystery
Hmm.
will engage you.
Yeah.
um and also short movies, really like quick watches and very
Yeah.
engaging and very thought
That's
provoking.
really good when
Hmm.
it's shorter.
Companion was a good one.
Another movie I've watched is Lisa Frankenstein.
Okay.
Yeah, I am very into movies which are young adult. I don't think I have grown out of that phase of my life.
Hmm.
I love the kind of nonsense that is there in those movies.
I like it.
Um, so yes, I've also watched that. It's a fun watch.
Hmm.
It also is very out there. It
Hmm.
also talks about like some type of dynamics.
Yeah.
Um, and there is suspense and intrigue, and you don't anticipate where is going till it really goes there.
Yeah.
So again, I think they've done a good job of it. It is a little juvenile, but that's what these movies are supposed to be. I think I
Yeah.
watch them because they're a little juvenile.
Yeah.
These movies are not pretending to take themselves more seriously than anything else, and I like that about them, because then I don't have to watch them with a lot of focus and depth. I can just be and watch them and enjoy them without
Yeah.
having to think too much, and if I take back any learnings, that's absolutely on me.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
That's very sweet of you. Another movie that is very fun like that, which I watched a while back and not recently, is Bottoms. It
Mm.
is, it's inclusive. It's about people of a younger age. It is very very funny.
Yeah.
I It's got great actors. It's got, I don't know the name of the actress, but she was in Shiva Baby, the lead in Shiva Baby. It's got her, and it's got
I like how you're saying so many things and I'm just blank, and then you immediately move on. You're like, it's
Sh-
got sure, okay, it's got her.
it's got her, and it's got I don't know how to pronounce her name properly, but who plays Sydney in The Bear. Also,
I have not watched the bear.
but yes, it's got her, and they're very funny. They're being amazing, and it's again very like nonsensical, chaotic. Anything is happening. Another movie that we watched is Mean Girls ka.
Oh
Um,
yes, Mean Girls. It says it's called Mean Girls 2 only, no?
is it?
I don't know. It's called Mean Girls or
Is
Mean Girls 2. It's Mean Girls the musical.
the
Basically,
Mean Girls the musical?
yeah, it's
Yes,
Mean Girls the musical, but they've not called it that. It is so good.
I really liked it.
Yeah.
And it's got representation. They've got an Indian girl who's playing a dumb person, which is nice. It's nice to not see.
I was like, they've really flipped it.
They've really flipped it.
And then a white girl who's really smart.
They've got a white girl who's really smart. They've got,
Again, just unfathomable.
sorry, how she's doing it. They've really, I like this version of Regina George that they've done,
Yes,
honestly.
this Regina George, by the way, seemed to have a lot more substance
Yeah,
than the one before. Not
yeah.
that the one earlier is not enjoyable, but this portrayal I really liked.
Hmm.
Also, they didn't change a lot in the movie, so the movie actually has the same things from the original, It also has some cast members from the original.
Tina Fey.
Yeah, but only the ones that made sense.
Yeah, like the principal,
The
then
principal
Tina
and Tina
Fey,
Fey.
and Lindsay comes for a cameo.
Yes, that's it. And I like it. I'm glad that they kept it that way. And the music also is good. It's not a musical for the sake of it. I like the music. Some of it has gone on my playlist.
Yeah.
And the way they've picturized the music is also nice. It's not random like a Glee.
No, no, no.
It is a lot more.
And the lyrics are all making sense.
Yes.
It's like they could be dialogues as well, but
Yes.
now you're hearing it as music. Renee Rapp is,
Yeah, she's the
Yeah.
singer for some of the
She-
music, and she does a really
she
good
does
job.
music outside of that anyway.
Yeah.
So she's a fun one.
I liked it. I really like this version of Mean Girls.
I liked it as well. It was very enjoyable. And even though we knew what was going to happen, it was still engaging. It wasn't like, अरे मुझे तो पता ही है plot क्या है, मैं क्यों देखूं? Which says something about the acting and the
Yeah.
writing.
I mean,
there.
I would have watched it regardless for the nostalgia, but I'm glad they did a good job of it.
They
They
did a
didn't do
good
it for
job.
to mess it up.
Yeah, they didn't. And they sort of adapted it to the Gen Z
Yeah.
environs really well.
Have you watched Freaky Friday too?
No.
Oh, I watched that.
I've heard, is it good? I've heard.
It's nice.
Huh.
I mean, I would say that I would always love the original
The original,
because they both were fantastic.
yeah.
I'm sorry, Lindsay Lohan and who's was the name of the actress? I always forget.
I always forget.
But anyhow, both of them are beautiful
Hmm.
in the first movie. They're still beautiful now.
Hmm.
It's just that this movie had a lot more chaos.
Jamie Curtis?
Jamie Curtis, yes. Jamie
Hmm.
Lee Curtis.
Jamie Lee Curtis.
Yes. This version had a lot more chaos for my liking. I'm not a big fan of that. There are 4 body swaps that happen in this.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so like you have to keep.
That's
first of all, you
called
have
an
to,
orgy.
and what's the most difficult thing in it? To keep track
In
of
an
who's who.
orgy?
Yes, to keep track of who's who and who's where.
Someone who has not participated in an orgy, I got very scared. I was like, I don't tell you, man.
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me, man. I don't know. I can't help you here.
No, but if we assume that that's the most difficult thing there, it's the most difficult thing here. To first of all keep just track of like, okay,
As a
sorry, who's
viewer.
where. Yeah.
It's hard to watch an orgy, is what you're saying.
I'm saying it's hard to watch this movie and keep track of it. So yeah, I don't appreciate that. Plus, just good characters, no depth. The thing is, I walked into this asking for depth because the first movie did have that. I do think it did. The characters were a lot more fleshed out. Even the what do you call it? The Dadaji and the husband had like a certain personality. They were like
Yeah.
nice people, but they had a very particular way of being nice. This one felt a little, oh, these characters are there because they fit the script, and then that's all they are. So,
So
if-
they did plot first, character second.
I feel that's maybe a possibility. And of course, I have read many thrillers.
You have.
So I will quickly just run through what those are. Never Lie. First Lie wins.
Rita McFadden.
Let me just say, all of my books are about lies. No.
It's sounding like threats you send to people. It's not
Never
sounding
lie.
Like your book reading list.
First Lie wins. I think I'll quickly give a summary of what I liked in
Yeah,
each
that
book,
would
and
be
then
helpful.
people can choose. I started with People Pleaser, which is about the show business, but how it is today. So that was a fun mystery because I don't think this show business is represented as much in mysteries. Maybe or maybe I haven't read many. So it's about people who go to a reality show, which is like that Love Island kind of a show, and what happens behind the scenes there. And then it comes back to the fact that these people use that as a way to become influencers, and then what happens when they do become influencers.
A good show, sorry about the show business,
Yeah.
is The Studio, also on Apple
Oh.
Apple TV.
Arey, this Apple TV things you don't recommend. People will have to start getting subscriptions.
You can start. You can get on the family plan. Share it with 4 people. Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. The murder is good. Not well picturized.
Okay.
The mystery I think is very predictive. So it didn't have a lot of complexity, but it's okay. I will forgive that. Then there's That Night.
Mm.
I've already spoken about it. I think it's a really good book.
Yeah.
It's written well.
Mm.
Also, I think I tend to judge Indian authors a lot more harshly,
Yeah.
because, very honestly, how American or British authors will write, they will use a lot more complex English than Indian authors.
Mm.
So I have a tendency to judge that, which I'm trying to lose, because I think it shouldn't matter how complex the English is. It should matter if it's making me feel and think things, and this book does that.
Oh, I didn't mention what I read. I've only read two things, and one is by Dolly Alderton, who I love.
Yes.
But that's it. And one is a dystopian fiction called I Who Have Never Known Men, which is a very very good book, and like only 200 pages, so you can quickly read it.
Oh,
Yeah, but every like line is relatable
what
and
is it
amazing.
about?
So it's about the protagonist is a girl, and she's the one who's narrating the story, and
Yeah.
it's about how she is in this very strange land. She's in bunkers with 39 other women, so there are 40 women in total.
Oh, she's really never known men.
She's really never known men, because all of the other women who are there remember their past lives, but it seems that she was here since she was very very young, so she has no memories
Oh,
at all of her past life
love it.
and where she has come from. And they don't, so there's, in this novel there is not a lot of focus on the facts of the dystopian fiction part of it. So
Okay.
like, what has happened, where are they're not giving us any of this
Yeah.
information. That mystery remains,
Okay.
so we don't know any of that. The focus is still on like, there are some women who have a past life versus there is this one girl who doesn't remember anything, so how
Hmm.
does she react and respond to things, and what, how has her personality built itself in a world where she does not know men.
Okay, I like that.
But
It's giving me very Unbreakable Kimmy
yes, it is
that, but
sort of,
also
but there was
just,
one evil man.
yeah. Here there is
Here,
nothing. It's,
but
oh, that's
here there
quirky.
were guards that used to come in, and those were the only men that they knew. And the novel begins where like they set the context, and one day what happens is that the guards suddenly run away, and the
Oh.
bunker opens up, and they are just in the world left to explore what is happening, and then the novel takes you through that.
So, what that means is, please go watch things, read things, do things with all the recommendations we have given you. You can choose to like it, not like it. And
Yeah, this is something new we're trying. So like, give us all of again give us feedback that we may or may not take.
Hmm.
But definitely watch a lot of the stuff that we say and read a lot of the stuff.